What's up, guys? In today's video, we'll be doing custom pop sockets through dye sublimation. I ended up getting mine from Heat Transfer Warehouse. They have both white and black, and what they are, they're just small with their double-sided tape on the back and also the front part, and it's just a little aluminum insert, just like a phone case or anything else. The price is right. They're pretty fantastic. A case of 10, $9, hard to beat it. Their shipping's not bad either. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get that designed. The template for these ends up being, they're right at 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and make it 1.75 by 1.75 at 300 dpi. And what I was going to do is use a picture of my daughter on mine, which it's going to be huge because it's just a 1.75 image. But we can make it pretty nice. Something like this will look great on there. So that's what we'll do. And what I'll do, I'll just try to align the image kind of to the top. And I'll get just enough of her shirt and everything in there, and it'll be beautiful. So here we go. We'll go ahead and get this printed. We'll be printing it to our Epson 7720 with Cosmos ink, and also I'll leave a link in the description where you can find the pop sockets on that website. So here we go. We'll go ahead and get it printed. All right. Here's our print. We'll go ahead and get it cut out. Just to make it a little easier to handle everything. I don't think I need to even cut it that way. I'm just going to cut it this way and the other way. So we're just going to give it a little snip. Like I said, I hate wasting this dye sub paper for this, but you know, it is what it is. I just wasted some because my Epson decided to do some dumb stuff, so there we go. Just cut it to a more manageable size. What we'll do, we'll go ahead and get the plastic peeled off of this guy. Granted, we're not going to press it like that, but you can see how these work. They have 3M double-sided tape on both sides. This side goes to the phone case. This side goes to the insert. The insert's basic aluminum, much like the Unisub products. They just have a little thin coating on there. And there we go. But we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and pause this, and we'll go ahead and get everything set up on the press. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get this going. I'm going to need a lot of pressure because it's a really thin substrate. So I'm just going to guess on that. We'll go ahead and get a couple pieces of paper because this stuff likes to really bleed through because it's a lot of ink on there on that particular design. I got just a couple scrap pieces of paper, of butcher paper and also white paper. This is one of the few designs I actually will do face. I'll actually do anything aluminum just face down. It's easier that way. What we'll do is we'll be careful. We'll carefully place that image. We'll go ahead and put our paper back on there. And we're going to do it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And hopefully we have about the right pressure. Oh yeah, that's too much. We'll go ahead and back that off a little bit. There we go. Good solid pressure on that aluminum. And we're doing these at 400 degrees for 60 seconds again. So we'll go ahead and pause the video and just let this press. All right, we got 10 seconds left to go, so we'll go ahead and suit up with the gloves on, and we'll go ahead and get ready to get this done. See what we got. And there we go. Magic steam. Try not to move the paper too much. There we go. Bam. And the thing prints just like a photo, man. Just like a photo. But what you'll want to do is you'll just want to grip it. Try to slide it off a little bit. There we go. We'll focus on that a little bit. And you can see it prints absolutely amazing. Like these little aluminum slates are absolutely incredible. The aluminum's absolutely, it prints so good. So we'll go ahead and let that cool, and then we'll do final assembly on it. Alright guys, let's see. Now we can go ahead and get this assembled. We won't mess with this yet. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and peel this guy. And what you can do is you just go ahead and focus on that. There we go. Sucks not having fingernails. There we go. And these fit, they just fit just in there, just like that. And you just put them in there and give them a solid press. And there you go. Black Popsocket. There we go. But yeah, they turn out really nice. Very nice. And see, these little things, the pop works pretty well on them. I mean, they pop right out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Very impressed with the product though. It reminds me a lot of like the Unisub stuff, to be totally honest. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all checking out this video. Everything used to make it will be linked down in the description below. They turn out really nice, really like them. But yeah, they're pretty easy to make. As always, I appreciate all the support you guys give me. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe and like the video. I'll keep doing them as long as there's people watching. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.